Chakras or the pirouettes is one of the most exciting features of Kathak, making Kathak seem fluid and ethereal. Even though chakras are performed along the vertical median plane, they give the illusion of a third dimension to this dance form. The spins or turn in Kathak are the combination of balance, rhythm, skill and strength. Steadiness of the body and mind is another important aspect to execute convoluted spins. Building endurance is another aspect since the Kathak dances are performed many combinations and numbers at once. In old schools of Kathak, chakras were also called as Bhramris. Nandikeshwara in his Abhinay Darpana refers to the chakras as Gumariya. In Kathak, different varieties of chakras are used. Let's explore it. In most of the chakras, both hands extend horizontally and come back to the basic hand position of Kathak when turn is completed. Also, all the chakras start on the right foot and eyes are focused at one spot in the front, and after each turn, eyes again relocate at the same point. This technique helps in maintaining the focus. So in the chakras of 8 beats, uses of the bowls of Tatkar. So, ta, te, tat, ta, te, tat. The dancers completes one turn while doing basic 8 beats with the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the chakras of 5 beats, tik, dha, diga, diga, the. The feet strikes 5 times to complete a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, in chakras of 4 beats, ta, the, tat. The feet strikes 4 times to complete a turn. Again, in chakras of 3 beats, tat, tat, the. The feet strike 3 times respectively to complete a turn. So, tat, tat, the. These all chakras are presented at one spot, and these bowls of previous chakras can change according to the bowls of the compositions. Now in chakras of 2 beats is used to move in space from one place to another. Like 1, 2, 1, 2. Among all the chakras, the pirouette is used very effectively in Kathak. In pirouette, a complete turnaround is performed while balancing on one foot. This is also known as chakras of 1 beat. In Kathak, pirouettes are done on the heel, like so. Let's do it with music.